A little tutorial about what to do once you've purchased your file. Here's Always Away by Sarah Church. So you've reached the purchase page, and now you can see there's your song and downloads. You click on Download Now, and then it might ask you if you want to download now, and you say yes. If you look at the upper left corner, there's a little circle going around a little arrow in the address bar. That means that your file is actually downloading right now. Once it's finished doing that, that circle will get filled in solid blue, like that. You click on that, and the drop-down menu comes down, and you click Downloads. Then you'll see a file called Always Away. You click that. This will bring you to Downloads. You'll see always-a-way.zip. You click on that now. And once you do that, it'll create a folder inside of that folder called Sarah Church Always Away. You're going to click on that, which will open that folder. So that's the blue folder. Then there's two files. One of them is a picture, and one of them is a sound file. You click on the sound file, and that brings you to the player. You hit play, and then the music starts playing. Ah, lovely. And that's just how you do it. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Okay, bye.